Hey, what's up guys? Here I am in the garage. Another beautiful day in Northern California. Here, working on this thing. And do some welding, maybe. Some grinding. Use some tools. I have a couple wrenches. I don't know. Gonna see what we can get done today. Maybe I'll get some done, maybe I won't. The garage is clean. It's worth mentioning. This place is always a mess. It's not my garage. I literally have to come here to this house and clean it. You know, it's always fun. No, it's not. But yeah, this is awesome. Look at this place. It looks amazing compared to what I'm used to. Got a little board up there to write notes. Whiteboard, that's great. Got some sweet DOM tubing right here. Endless supply, not really. But yeah, so I don't know. Maybe I'll get something done today. Who knows? Slow and steady wins the race, right? Can't rush art. Everybody knows that. So, yeah, working on this thing. I have these marks right here. It's about where this arm bar is going to go. I have it right here. I do have it there. On this side. Yeah, so it's 3. So I'm meeting up with 2. I'm meeting up with 2 pieces of metal. So yeah. So there's 3 different it's kind of hard to tell, but you got one right here, another one right here, one right here. This one needs to come down a little bit for it to get a little tighter on the fitment. But yeah. All right. So right now I just kind of got done giving it a little bit more shape. Got this right here. Got a notch right here. And then you got this one. I cleaned up the plate on the bottom. I cleaned up everything, a little bit of acetone. And now I'm just gonna pretty much tack it in place. And kind of go from there. Tack it here, then tack it on the bottom so it doesn't move around on me when I'm actually welding this. I'm going to do this side first. I should probably do the hard side first, but I mean, it really doesn't matter. I have to do both anyways. And yeah, so I'll do that next. Alright, so this side's welded and installed. Finished it up. Went pretty smooth. So now I just have to come over here, get some measurements on this piece of tube I have, line it up. I'm actually going to put the angle that I need to face that flat down on the plate first, and then from there I'll decide where to cut this piece off at. I'm putting the angle on that side so that I can minimize the amount of material I need for the actual piece to keep this piece as long as I can. This piece is pretty short. It won't be neat and won't be useful for too much, but you know, this stuff ain't cheap, so try to salvage the material as best you can. So I'll start with that. All right. So I'm finishing up this notch, this double notch over here. This is what it looks like. You got your main pipe right here, the one that goes up and down on the hoop, and then you got your crossbar going that way.
Want me to wheel this over a little closer?
Not really.
No?
Not yet.
Whatever, dude.